Hello, I'm Guy Vincent. I'm the owner of Innotech Industry. Here to demonstrate the assembly, the correct way of assembling and putting together a flip table, folding table. In this case, we are talking about the BF with a 30 by 60 inch top. It is very important during the assembly of this base that there's two bolts underneath to be secured or fastened very tight as you can manually without a wrench or whatever. So it has to be done with the Allen key that is supplied with the kit. Once it's assembled, the positioning of the tabletop must be done where to find the center of your table, in this case 15 inches, and the center of this bar, which is not center with the base or the post, but center in this case with this assembling bar or the fastening bar. The operating of this table is very simple. To put in position, operating position, you simply have to flip it up and down until it clicks. And the most important thing for the table to be stable, you must apply the brakes on the casters. In this case, there's 4 casters with brakes on all 4. This will prevent the table from moving side to side, especially on a hard surface like wood, tile, or ceramic. The table is strong, the table is solid, but with a 30-inch surface, it may tend to be easier to tip. But if the casters are locked, the table will be stable. You can literally sit on the edge of the table without breaking the mechanism. But it is not advised to be sitting on the table. The table is not designed for that. This is a training table. You can put computer system or whatever on the surface without any worry about the table breaking. To put in its storage position, simply have with this lever, flip the table open, unlock the casters, and simply put the table away against the wall or wherever. Thank you, and hopefully that this video will help you accomplish this work, because a table like this will take less than 15 minutes to put together, and make sure that the table is safe for anyone and stable. Thank you.